Say hello to Kristen. We'll make a video for Kristen.
Hey, sister. All right, the video getting then. All right.
Hello, baby.
Hi, Kristen. Say hi. Say we love you.
He's like, okay. Who's in here?
Everybody. It's important.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube later for Kristen.
Hi, Kristen. Merry Christmas.
Uh-oh.
Everybody, hello.
Kristen, Merry Christmas.
So Kristen,
To the camera.
to the camera, see?
Who? Kiss me.
Comish, right?
Yeah. Destiny. Do it.
Say hello.
Hey.
And baby.
Do it. Merry Christmas, Chris Thomas. Miss you.
Oh yeah, Thomas, you too. You too.
yeah.
Merry Christmas, Thomas.
Oh, I'm sorry. We love you,
I
Thomas.
talked to you this morning. Merry Christmas.
I'll talk to you later.
Hey.
Say hi to Aunt Kristen.
And Thomas.
Hi, Drizzles.
And Drizzles.
Drizzles. Yes.
Oh gosh, not that cat, please.
You have to say hello.
Hello.
Feliz Navidad.
Did you get Grandpa?
Not yet. I'm working my way out that way. I haven't found everybody. Oh,
It's snowing.
it is not snowing.
Rochelle and Vanessa last night.
Say hi to Kristen and Thomas.
Hi, Kristen. Hi, Thomas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Grandpa.
Say hi to Kristen and Thomas.
Hi.
Merry Kristen.
Merry Christmas.
Kristen and Thomas.
Yeah, don't forget Thomas.
Christmas.
Did I get everybody in the house?
Throw a snowball at Thomas.
I haven't seen Kyle and Zach. They're outside playing football. And Jordan.
Where's your coat?
I'll go outside now. I'll find them. Even though it's cold. And I don't want to go outside. Wait. Say hi to your sister and your brother. Kristen and Tom. I'm going to put it on YouTube for them.
We miss you.
We miss you.
Miss you. Hope you're having a great
I
Christmas.
hope those muffins are good because my breakfast was better.
Did you eat all the whole box? Give me one.
Let's go find Jordan.
I'm not going out there.
Is Jordan out here? Let's see. A little bit of Grandma's yard. You want to see the nativity? There's cars. There's candy canes hanging in trees. There's nativity. All right. Oh wait, there's Kyle. This is say hello to Kristen and Thomas for Merry Christmas. No, come on. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Do it right. I'm videoing. I'm going to put it on YouTube for Kristen and Thomas. Say hello. Merry Christmas.
Hi.
He left tequila at home. He's a horrible boyfriend.
Yeah, because it's cold outside, and you said tequila.
And they're tequila. Yeah.
Yeah, you said tequila, and Grandma probably thought I think I'm an alcoholic now.
No, I told her why we call her tequila. Because Uncle Scott can't say Katya. It is snowing, and I see Declan. Declan, come here.
What?
Come here.
Yes.
Say hello to Kristen and Thomas. Merry Christmas.
What?
Say
Hi.
I think we got everybody. If I miss somebody, I'm so sorry. I love you. And I'm sorry I had to be on there too. It's horrible. Oh wait, here's your. How about your dad? That'd be good. I'm horrible. Oh, they just got here. They just pulled up. They need to get out of the car. And it is snowing. Wow. All right. I wish they would hurry up and get out of the car. Hey, I'm videoing a video for your daughter. I'm going to put it on YouTube later. So
It's snowing.
I know it's snowing, Kristen. Can you see it?
I'm sure she's not excited.
We're excited. Wait, where's Hope?
She called last night at 12:30
Yeah?
and said it had been snowing for 11 hours.
It's been snowing here for like 2 minutes. Can you see it on the ground? Can you see it?
Look at the car. Maybe you'll see it go in the car.
I don't think it's going to show up. Say hello.
Hi, sweetie.
She made something.
Wish you were here. It's a cherry pie.
Cherry pie. Woo, we're going in because it's freaking cold out. Okay, now I really did get everybody. You almost got left off the video because you weren't here. That's what I hear. Okay, bye, Chris. Bye, Thomas. Love you.